Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to learn more about assigning values to variables in this video. So, when you assign data to a variable, that data is not fixed. You can reassign different data if you want. Here's what I mean. Let's say I declare the variable x is equal to 5. Then, on the next line, I reassign a different value to x and I write x is equal to 9. The value of x would now be 9. I reassign the data 9 to x. And if I were to write print x in the next line, can you guess what the output would be? When I run the code, you can see that the output is 9. So you can reassign values to variables. You can also reassign the values of variables to other variables. Here's what I mean. Let's say I write the following code. I write a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, and then I reassign the value of a to the value of b by writing a is equal to b. Now, the value of a will be 6 and not 5. It's now the value of b. If I were to write print a, the output will be 6 and not 5 because I reassigned the value of a to b. This works the same way for text and other data as well. Try it out yourself. Go back to the same file variable.py and delete all the existing code in there. Now, refer to the next article to guide you through a small, simple activity you will do in this file to understand this concept better.